Good afternoon, and this is Words on Wednesday, number 15. Let's have a look at our first word, bulwark. It's a noun, definition, a defensive wall. Let's look at the synonym. Oops. Shield or fortress. Let's look at the antonym. Doorway or entrance. Let's read the sentence. Well-trained police forces are a bulwark against the breakdown of society. Wonderful. Let's move on to our next word, which is going to be cajole. Definition: persuade by flattering or gently teasing. Synonym: coax. Antonym: demand. He tried to cajole his girlfriend into breaking her curfew. Wonderful. Let's have a look at our next word, which is going to be harbinger. Something that marks the approach of something else. Synonym: forerunner. Antonym: effect. So the sentence goes: the storm clouds on the horizons were a harbinger of doom. Let's move to the next one, which is going to be, I don't remember. Impetuous. Definition: acting quickly without a thought. Synonym: impulsive. Antonym: cautious. The sentence: the impetuous teen had a long history of shoplifting arrests and traffic violations. And our last word of today is, let's have a look at this adjective. Extemporaneous. Extemporaneous. Definition: spoken or done without preparation. Can be a good thing or can be a bad thing. Depends on your talent. Okay, synonym. Let's have a look. Improvise. Antonym: rehearsed or planned. And our sentence goes: the student's extemporaneous speech wowed his classmates and teacher alike. Wonderful! I will see you extremely soon. Good luck!